Pick her up. I wanna show like how small she is. Taking a little video. I'm gonna show my parents, my grandmother.
Next to a tennis ball.
Look how teeny she is compared to real people.
Or this tennis ball.
It's like the size of her head.
She tries to play with it sometimes.
She loves attacking feet, doesn't she?
Yeah, shoelaces.
She's like, damn it, what are you doing? Pick me up.